Hello. So I just wanted to show you the LJA web local site. This is a fork of DeepSite version 2, and what I've done is basically given it just a few more features and the ability to actually use what you generate. So what I've done, I've loaded in LM Studio. So this is all your back-end stuff. You can use Alarma, or you can even use your custom. This says custom local runtime, but you can actually configure cloud models with this if you need to. So I'm going to use LM Studio. I'm going to use Qwen, and the prompt I'm going to do, I'm going to ask it to redesign my website, which is why I've got it open here, so you can see before and after. So I'm just going to say redesign there, and I've got a prompt. I just need to pause it so I can grab my prompt. Okay, so I've done my prompt. It's quite a long one, but I've basically asked it to grab the website and then improve it in such a way. So I'm going to hit go on this. So what it should do now is go and grab the website. You'll see it's going to process the prompt here. So I'm going to pause this now, and as soon as it's done, I'll come back. Just wanted to unpause quickly so you don't really have any time reference, but that was really fast. But yeah, I'll let it carry on generating. Okay, so that's done. And what you can see is that I've finished the local build. Now you can save it. So I'll show you what it's done. Local AI infrastructure, explore the features, get in touch. Next gen, so it's built things, it's kept the theme, made everything all nice, put some price in, how to contact, some random buttons. Excuse me. Yeah, so we got some random buttons, pricing, and the contact information. We've got the stuff at the bottom. We've got an option to save the project. We can export it as a zip. I've got to save it before I export it. So we save the project. Now we can download it as a Docker bundle, which will just run it in Docker for you. So if you've got like somewhere that hosts Docker, you can host this website right now. Or you can export it as a zip. When you export it as a zip, you can then upload it to your website. And I'll show you what happens. So this is me, say I'm uploading it to my website. Now this is my website, and when somebody hits my index page, this is what they'll see. They'll see the full website. It's all ready to go. Obviously it's not ready to go, but once you've got it completed inside this builder, you could have it all ready to go. So the whole idea of this now is if there's problems, you want to be able to kind of like make some changes. So I wanted to build in a picker, and this picker should be able to select different things in here and make some changes for you. So you've got apply to working draft after. So if this picker doesn't work, I had this option, so you can choose between the different elements, and they should highlight. There you go. So you can actually just choose every single element in that's been generated and then speak about that. I've saved the project. Okay, so because the project's saved, you can switch between your other projects that you've done before. So that's basically just reloaded what I was just doing. And then was this go local? Yeah, so this is when my video all kind of went wrong, and I wanted to show you, but everything went wrong, so I went off and kind of did something else. So yeah, you can export these.